Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and in today's video I'm going to again show you how to do multi-camera editing Premiere Pro. In the last video I've shown you how to edit multi-camera videos in Final Cut Pro, but in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the same thing inside of Premiere Pro. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now if you are a Windows user, then I will suggest you to use Premiere Pro to edit multi-camera videos. But if you use a Mac, then you should go with Final Cut Pro, since it gives you better performance than that of Premiere Pro. Okay, so now not waste any time, and I will just show you how to do that multi-camera editing easily inside of Premiere Pro. So here on my computer I will open Premiere Pro. So over here you can see that I have opened Premiere Pro, and from here you have to create one new project, and I will name it Multicam Rec, and just click on the OK option to create the project. Now from here I will import two video files which I have used in the previous Final Cut Pro video. If you want those videos for practice, then you can get those from the link in the description. So these are the two videos. I will select them both and I will just click on the import option, and it will get imported here. Now select both of these files and right click on them, and then click on create multi-camera source sequence. After you click on that, this kind of a window appears in front of you. Now you can give any name to the video clip. I will name it just multicam. So over here on this window you can see that you have got some synchronize point. Now from this you can choose any option through which you can synchronize your video. Here you have got in points, then out points, then time code, then sound time code, then audio. I will prefer to use the audio because basically it uses the audio of both the files, and it basically mixes the equal portions of those audios. So I have chosen audio, and from here you can choose the track channel, let it be 1, and keep everything automatic over here. And here we can see the options of audio synchronization. So here in the sequence settings, there is camera 1, all cameras, and switch audio. I will prefer to keep it in camera 1, and keep everything as it is, and just click on the OK option. So it will process for some time, and here this will give you this kind of a clip. Now this looks like a sequence clip, but actually it is not. It is basically a video clip which you can drag and drop into the timeline, and it will create one sequence through it. Now over here you can see that this is basically one file. Here over here you can see this is one file. Now you will ask me that where did the other file go, or you can say where did the other camera go. So basically to see it, we have this kind of a button which is called toggle multi-camera view. Now if you don't see this option over here, then you can just press on this button editor. Here there is a plus icon, you can just click on it, and from here you can get this button toggle multi-camera view, and you can just drag and drop it anywhere over this panel. And see, here we get this button. This is a toggle multi-camera view. Now you have to click on this button, and this kind of a window appears just after you clicked on it. So basically this is our first file, and this is our second file. Now if you haven't watched the Final Cut Pro video yet, then you can watch that video too. It is kind of similar to that. So here I will just play this. Before that I will mute the sound. So when I will play it, you can see that this is playing. Now this is the first video, that is the number 1 video over here. Now for example, if I want to show the second camera, So I'll just press on the 2 button and see that it shifts to the second camera after that. Now if I again want to show the first camera, you can just click on the 1 option on your keyboard, and just like that, whenever you want to switch cameras, you can press 1 or 2 on your keyboard. Now you can not only do it with 2 cameras, you can do it with more cameras, as in Final Cut Pro. So there will be if there are 3 video clips, then you can press on 1 2 3. If there are 4, then you can get you can click on 1 2 3 4 as the way you like. If you want to switch from the first camera to the second camera, then click on 2. If you want to switch from the second camera to the third camera, you can click on 3, and just like that you can switch cameras easily inside of Premiere Pro. It's very similar to that how we do it in Final Cut Pro, and basically that's it. So you can see that these cuts had been formed in your video clips. So let me play it. So when I'll play it, simply it goes from here, and see that the clip will automatically change to the other camera, just like that. So like that you can use like multiple cameras, and you can edit them into a one single file, and you can easily switch between your cameras. So if you use multiple cameras, or even if you are screen recording and you are recording your video using your camera, and if you want to edit both of them, then you can just create this multi-camera sequence, and then you can edit them easily. So that's it for this video. If you like this, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also do share this video, and if you like my content, then you can subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.